you can't find any help in this industry. For the longest time, I was looking for people that wanted to do it, that knew how to do it. A lot of people want to do it and work with you, but the knowledge of it is not really there anymore. It's becoming a lost art. Yeah, I got a great crew here at Acme that have a lot of experience, and it's taken me a long time to find people that have that experience. Yeah, the guys coming out of the program, they're looking for work, and that's the whole reason I started it, was to bring people in that want to learn how to do this. Another local shop had reached out to us once they heard about it, and they're like, hey, when are you guys going to have some graduates that we can have? Because they realize how hard it is to find the people too. My favorite part about the program is watching the kids soak it all in like a sponge, and their drive. It seems like, every time they learn something new, they get more amped up about it, and they want to do more and learn more. And it just really keeps everybody motivated around them too, including all my guys, because they like seeing it too. Their motivation is really refreshing, because they're here every morning ready to do it.